Gusts of wind spread rapidly. Autumn breeze takes over, hot bright sun shines on me. Falling leaves fluttering from the autumn trees, like every leaf dance bliss to me. Where trees stand oh so still, winds and birds, I hear you, I can feel, but many things yet to see. Voice upon voice keep on calling me. I'm here, I'm the one who's calling you, can't you see? Said the tree. I stop and I look, I can see. Big bird nest rests on you, my dear tree. I'm just a branch, look again carefully, speak the branch back to me. Fish swoosh and swirls, float and twirl, feed the leaves from above to the ground, back to earth where you fit our family endlessly. Even I can't walk, but still I can talk. I'm stuck here long in fear, still I move. You can't stop me from being me. Sing wombats from the top of the tree. Grow, rise and spread, start from small, not give up, don't be dread.